Hello everyone, I'm Mingye. Welcome to today's UNIFONS Chinese daily class. So today I'm gonna to teach you how to make a phrase by using the word of 白. There will be two phrases I'm gonna to introduce to you today. So the first words will be 白色,白色. 白色 means white color. Okay, the second phrases will be 白天,白天. 白天 is the phrase denoting time, which means a period between the day and night. Thank you for watching this video. At next video, Wenxiao is gonna to teach you how to make phrase by using those two words. Follow us to learn more Chinese word by yourself. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.